Examples of fake emails. Let's get started. If you can identify fake emails, it can help the reduction of leaking your sensitive personal information. As a result, you'll not face the risk of financial loss. The following 10 examples are the common reasons used for fake emails. Please stay alerted to them. Number 1. Urgent. An action is required. The emails may state that they're urgent. An action is required from you for logging in your account within certain hours. Those threats may induce you to log in your account immediately. The emails use different excuses to trick you into trusting and giving them personal information. If not, there will be issue in your account. Number 2. Inactive account, which will be suspended. The emails may state that your account has been inactive for a period. You're required to click the link and log in digital banking to confirm the status of your account. If not, your account will be suspended. Number 3. Transaction will be made. The emails may state that a transfer or credit card transaction will be made. You're required to click the link and log in digital banking to confirm the transaction. If not, your money will be transferred to a third party or merchant. Number 4. To be expired credit card rewards. The emails may state that your credit card bonus points will be expired shortly. To redeem the points, you're required to log in digital banking now for avoiding the expiry. Number 5. Returned payment. The emails may state that you'll receive a payment returned by a third party. In order to be processed by the banks quickly, you're required to confirm the returned payment by logging in digital banking. Driven by your curiosity, you'll use the link provided by the email and log in direct. Number 6. New look and feel of the websites. The emails may state that banks have launched a new look and feel of digital banking. To experience the new customer journey, you're required to click the link and log in digital banking. Number 7. Short messages with links. The scammers may also send you short messages with embedded links. You're required to click the link and log in digital banking to safeguard online security. If not, your account will be exposed to security risk. Number 8. Inactivated secure tools. The emails may state that secure tools, for example, security device or mobile token, have not been activated. You're required to click the link and log in digital banking to activate the tools. If not, your account will not be protected well when performing transactions. Number 9. Fake accounts at social media platforms. The scammers may also build fake accounts under social media platforms. The emails place the links of the fake accounts. If you trust the accounts, you may log in digital banking via social media platforms, whereas the links are diverted to the fake websites. Number 10. Promotional events at social media platforms. The scammers may present investment events at social media platforms. For joining the events, you're required to register by clicking on the link of digital banking. During registration, you've provided your username and password to the criminals. The excuses of scammers are emerging endlessly. When logging in digital banking, please be reminded to visit official websites or mobile applications of the banks, rather than the links provided via emails, short messages, or social media platforms.